Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In today's meditation, we will be turning inwards to begin considering what this life is all about and what the heart longs for. This session offers insights without answers, inspiring you to continue the journey of self-discovery. To begin this session, take a moment to find a comfortable seated position. Stretch your crown towards the sky or ceiling, letting your shoulders drop and your heart space open up ever so slightly. Your back should be erect, though comfortable. If you've not yet done so, I invite you to close your eyes and just take a few moments to ground yourself into this present moment. Notice what it is like to be held by the earth, to be embraced by the air, and to be supported by the breath. Notice what your physical body feels like in this present moment, and without judgment or force, see if you might gently soften or relax any areas where you might be holding tension. Your forehead might relax. Your jaw might relax. Your hands might relax. And any other parts of you might also surrender into softness. Now, come back to your breath. And as you breathe, begin to envision the breath running along the length of your spine. As you breathe in, trace your midline from the base of your spine to the crown of your head. And as you breathe out, follow the breath back down to your root. As you breathe this way, imagine the breath bringing nourishing energy into each one of your cells, preparing you for discoveries that rest ahead. Continue to breathe this way for a short while on your own, breathing from root to crown as you inhale, and then back down to your base as you exhale. If the mind wanders at any point, simply note this mental movement before gently and warmly returning your attention to the breath. Let your breath soften now, returning to its natural, innate flow. Now, let's consider for a moment what it means to live, to journey through this thing called life. For each one of us, what we do with our lives will look different, depending on who we are and where we find ourselves at any moment. Our choices and actions will vary. However, what remains the same is that we are all participating in an experience while we are alive. We are all learning to connect, to share, to give, and to receive. Each one of us has gifts to cultivate and to offer, lessons to learn, and experiences to move through. The very reality of experiencing is what is true for all of us. Now, experiencing life happens regardless of whether we are mindful of our experience or not. And yet, when we choose to turn inwards, to examine our goals, our dreams, our desires, and our heart longings, we start to uncover a richness to life we might not have previously known. This inward journey is a part of our unfolding into deeper layers of happiness and peace. It is a journey we can open to with curiosity, joy, and gratitude. So, what are you living for? What piques the curiosity of your mind? What awakens your heart? What values and virtues do you believe in and wish to nourish in yourself or the world? If the answers aren't so clear for you in this moment, know that this is entirely okay. As poet Rainer Maria Rilke writes, "Don't search for the answers, which could not be given to you now because you would not be able to live them. And the point is to live everything." So with that in mind, just take a moment to root yourself into this present moment. Feel into the earth beneath you. Open your heart and chest to the life before you, and allow your mind to sink into your heart. Establish yourself in the heart space through a couple of loving breaths. Now, in the silent space within you, I invite you to repeat, "I am open to the road of self-discovery. I find peace and possibility within. I am interwoven into all of life. I learn more and more each day about what my heart longs for." Now, take 3 full, deep breaths on your own timing, inhaling vital life energy as you breathe in, and softening any fears or concerns as you breathe out. Let each breath bring you back to this present moment. After your third deep breath, come back to the steady ebb and flow of your natural breath's rhythm. Feel into the earth beneath you now, reconnecting with this tangible world. Now, slowly bring a bit of light movement into your body, perhaps starting with your fingers and toes. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes to the world around you. I hope you enjoyed today's meditation. See you again